I wanted to show you a new toy. This is called a spring scale. A spring scale has a hook on it, and if you grab the hook and pull on it, you can see that there's some measurement things here that change. This is a hanger or a mass hanger, and I can hang it on the spring scale. Now notice when I hang it on the spring scale beforehand, it looks like the bottom of that bar is at 0, but when I put this on there, the bottom of the bar is now below 0. So what does a scale measure? A scale measures weight. So we have a hanger here and we have a scale, but we also have some additional masses. Our additional masses look something like this. If I take one of the masses off the tray, it looks this way, and we can take this and add it to the mass hanger. When I add it to the mass hanger, the corresponding weight on the scale changes as well. So today we're going to consider this new experiment using our new toys, the spring scale, mass hanger, and the additional masses. The name of the lab will be Weight versus Mass. You can put your name, but let's leave off the date, period, and partners until we return to class next week. The purpose of the lab is to describe the relationship between weight and mass. In the area below, draw a physical diagram, which would be a picture of this, and label its parts. To the right, you're going to need to draw and label a force diagram for the mass hanger as it sits there at rest. How might we manipulate this situation? What things could we change and what things could we measure? Whatever you think we could change, we should include as our independent variable. The thing that you think you're going to measure is going to be the dependent variable, and anything you think we should keep the same would be constant variables. Please take a moment and write an if-then statement talking about if we were to increase the mass of the system, how that might affect the weight of the system. Please write a graphical hypothesis, including labeling the axes and drawing a line or curve on the graph to show the trends. The last bit of this PreLab is to draw an energy bar graph for when we have no hanger, a hanger with no masses, and a hanger with additional masses. How might that affect the energy of our system? Because this is a prediction for a lab, this must be done in advance. This will not be allowed to be turned in late for points.